What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Let me guess, Jess, you gave them bread?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. There they are, guys. Chickens of Kauai. Check them out. Oh my god, Jess really unloaded the bread. Look at all this. Look at the chickens galore, guys. Got little babies there. We got the pigeons coming in. Also trying to get their share. Look at that. And then, oh wow, look at those nice ones coming in over here. Look at that. Wow, what's up, guys? Oh, look at that one. Trying to scare away the small one. Wow. Look at that, guys. Alright guys, so hope you guys are having a great day. Just finished cleaning an office, and before that we just finished work. Jess, they gave something. What? Jess, shh, Jess is all secret. Hey Jaxie Boo, what happened, Jess?
It got out, so I have to put like this.
Oh, how will we take it out now?
My goodness, just like that.
Huh? Oh.
I'm just making the clip because he pushes and he wins that wire.
Ooh, gummy.
Jaxie boy.
Look what happened to the gummies.
He's done running around already. He's
Oh,
done.
you're done already, Jaxie boo. You made duty already, Jaxie boo?
Gummies. They're all.
Go.
Alright, guys. Check out Mr. Jax. You already ran around?
He's done. He went running around. He got out already. I don't know.
Okay.
You're done.
He's
I
done.
bet he went to Draco.
Huh?
He went to Draco because when I called him.
Oh, yeah? Alright, guys. Looks like Jess watered a... Oh! Jax, I can smell your shishi, Jax. You're bad.
Well, I cleaned up the one yesterday.
Yeah, but you're not with Clorox. Alright, guys. So, Jess, what do you call these plants right here?
Huh?
What do you call these plants right here?
Tulip. I don't know. What
Tulip. Tulip, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So nice. And check out this vine over here.
What's up, guys? I need to cut my nails.
What's up, guys?
Look, I need to cut my nails.
Oh, yeah?
Go take shower now.
They're really
Alright.
long.
Okay, go straight to the tub.
Quill, RJ's gonna
Yeah.
go with Quill.
Okay, go straight to the tub.
Because
Ethan?
because Quill needs to do his hair.
What? Oh, you and him then. Go. Go straight.
Straight to the top.
Give me the envelopes.
I'll go put it on your desk though.
It's okay. Go straight to the tub because his feet is dirty.
Sure. Is it on?
What do you mean it's on?
Okay.
Yeah, it's on.
Yeah, I can see the green light. Goodbye!
Go.
Ooh, goodbye!
What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Oh, excuse me, guys. Oh my god. You know what, guys? We are lanaiing it, right, Jess? Lanaiing it on our lanai, as always, guys. All right, guys. Hope you guys are having a great night. We are just chillaxing here on our lanai, trying to cool down. It's been so hot this past few days, right, Jess? Like no wind, absolutely no wind whatsoever. None of the trees were moving, nothing. But tonight, the trees are moving a little bit, right, Jess? Just a little bit. And also, in addition to that, the breeze is, slowly coming in once in a while. It's like every like 10 minutes there's a breeze that comes through here. Yeah. It's just too hot to stay inside the house. We're lucky, we're blessed to have this awesome lanai to enjoy our afternoon and early evening, right, Jess? Yeah, Jess is going off with some fruit action over there. What is that, Jess? What are you eating? Mango?
Papaya.
Mango and papaya. Last time I ate the mango papaya, guys, oh my god. I was bloated for like 1.5 days. Oh my god.
Because you cannot mix it.
Well, why did you mix it in the Tupperware? Oh. But tonight, guys, let me show you guys what we're working with. I'm gonna I'm gonna cook once again for you all. And this is what, now here, let me adjust the light here, guys. Let me show you guys what I'm working with here. And it's chicken, guys. We got chicken. I'm gonna do my favorite thing, which is frying. Right, Jess? We're gonna fry it? Is that correct, Jess?
Yeah, we fry it.
Alright, Jess. Alright, guys. So we're gonna fry this bad boy. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna try and do this with one hand. With one hand and with bad lighting, guys. I do apologize. Uh-oh. Okay. Turn on the propane there. Okay, just put that over there for now. I do apologize about the bad lighting. And let me try and adjust it there for you guys. Alright. So let's see. Oh, excuse me. You know what? Hold on, guys. Let me get my... Where's my lighter? It's right over here, guys. Alright. Oh yeah, we are enjoying... What is the drink we're enjoying tonight, Jess? Whiskey?
I don't know. You're the one mixing that.
Alright. We're enjoying whiskey, guys. Whoa, let me see. We are enjoying whiskey with lemonade, guys. Whoa, now you guys can totally see me, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Just almost got what do you call that? Lariat. You got lariated. I don't know if that's a word, guys. Sorry about that. Whoa, here we go, guys. All right. Okay. All right. Oh, sheesh. No. Oh, man, that totally sucks. Hold on, guys. Whoa. Okay, guys. There we go. Do apologize. There we go. Let me just...
Oil.
Yeah, I need the oil, Jess. What's going on?
Yeah, wait.
I see oil over here in the corner.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, but it's... Oh, no, but nothing already. I don't know why the oil is over there. In the corner. Alright, there you go.
Nothing, the one is empty.
Okay, Jess, come on. Pour it in, Jess.
What?
Pour it in. What are you doing?
I'm looking for more oil.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm going to teach Jess how to cook. Okay, just pour the oil there, Jess. Thank you very much.
Be quiet.
What?
Okay.
Come on, you pour it. Okay, that's good. Alright, just pour the whole thing then already, Jess. No, that's too much. Okay. Good job, Jess. Okay, very good. Thank you very much, Jess. I'll call you when I need assistance. Thank you very much. Alright, guys, so the next step is to let the oil heat up. And once you see those little bubbles start to pop, then you can throw in the chicken, guys. Alright. Okay. Alright, guys. I have to stand back because I just placed those chickens in there. And they are going off, guys. Don't want to burn my limbs, so there you go, guys. I'm going to try these chicken wings and all that. And I'll get back to you guys. Alright.